Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change language on Skype. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and hit the subscribe button. And once you've done that, please leave a like down below and let's get started. I will guide you on the way on how to change language on Skype. Now the first thing you need to do is go to your Skype account and click on your photo on the upper left corner. Once you reach this page, you may click on the settings and go to general. Once you're in the general, click on the language. And in this page, you can select the language you want to use. Select it and click apply afterwards. You may go back and check the language you have selected. And the language you selected has a check mark on it. I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and stay updated for more tutorials.